In this video, I'm going to talk about a new functionality within Microsoft Edge browser called as Magnify Image. Now, what you can do in the new version of Microsoft Edge is you can start magnifying images. Now, I'm in this website, which is techcommunity.microsoft.com, and it has a lot of images over here. Now, if you want to zoom any of a particular image, so take for example, if you want to zoom, say, this image, okay, now, how you will do in a traditional sense is you will start zooming in, or you will press Control F or Control plus. So I'm doing Control plus. So what it does is like it will zoom into that image, and then you can actually view the content of that image. Okay, so I'm resetting it. I'm just pressing Control 0. So I'm resetting it back. So instead of doing that, there is a new functionality. You just right click on the image, any image you find in the web page, and click on magnify image. The moment you do that, you will be able to see the highest resolution image available within that website for that particular image. You can further zoom in if you want to see more details, and you can just click and then you can just scroll left right and just see the image content. Also, you can unzoom it, and you can reset the zoom functionality. So this is how you basically check those images. Now, say, take for example, if you're reading a long blog, and if there are images which you want to zoom further, so take for example, this is the page, and say this is how the image looks like. So let's assume, okay, then what you can do, you can just do a right click and say magnify image, and then it will blow out those image, and it will display the zoomed version of it. You can further zoom and zoom out depending on your requirement, and then you can actually read the content. So just giving you an example, like say, take for example, if you navigate to any documentation, and then if you find images, say over here in this documentation, I have a lot of images whereby I can see that there are various steps to configure in, say, Azure. Now, if I want to actually read this image, what I can do, I can just hover my mouse over here and do a right click, or maybe there is another option which is tap control twice. So if I just keep my mouse over here, and if I do tap control twice, then it will show you that blown out image. So as you see over here, now this is much more readable compared to the existing web page zoom level, right? So this is how you basically do it. Now similarly, you can navigate to any other pages, and then if you want to see the high resolution version, I can just do a double control twice, and then I can see the images. Similarly, if you are reading again any of the blog content, if you want to see in more detail, just press control twice, and then you can see all the images. Similarly, if you read out any blogs, and if there are sometimes there is a thumbnail, like if you see this thumbnail kind of an image, and if you want to see more detail, this will be helpful at that point of time as well. So again, I'm just pointing my mouse and doing a double click, double control, and then I can see, and then I can see the alt value. So this is a headshot of article author Christopher One Yahoo, and then this is how you view this information. So that's it, folks. This is all about magnifying image in Microsoft Edge. Thanks for watching.